Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the tab layout in Safari on your Mac. If you're tired of the default layout, or simply want to explore different ways to organize your tabs, this guide is for you. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks to master your Mac. In this video, we'll cover two main tab layouts, the compact tab bar and the separate tab bar. We'll show you exactly how to switch between them, highlight the pros and cons of each, and help you decide which one works best for your workflow. Let's get started. Scene change screen recording of Safari on Mac. Okay, so first, let's make sure Safari is open. Now, to change the tab layout, we need to go to Safari's preferences. You can do this in a couple of ways. Either click on Safari in the menu bar at the top of your screen and then select Preferences, or use the keyboard shortcut, Command+, Command key plus. Scene Change Safari Preferences window is open. This opens the Safari Preferences window. Click on the Tabs tab at the top. Scene Change Tabs tab is highlighted. Here, you'll see a setting called Tab Layout. You have two options, Compact and Separate. Let's start with Compact. Scene Change Compact is selected. If you select Compact, Safari merges the tab bar with the toolbar, so the tabs appear right at the top, next to the address bar. This saves vertical space and can be great if you like a cleaner look. However, the tabs can feel a bit cramped, especially when you have a lot of them open. Notice how the tabs sort of float near the address bar? Scene Change, demonstrating the compact tab layout with multiple tabs open. Now, let's switch to the separate tab layout. Scene Change Separate is selected. If you select Separate, the tab bar is, well, separate. It sits below the toolbar, giving each tab its own distinct space. This can be really helpful if you want more visual separation between your tabs, and it also allows you to see more of the tab title when you have many tabs open. Notice how the tabs feel more distinct and easier to click on. Scene Change, demonstrating the separate tab layout with multiple tabs open. So which one should you choose? It really comes down to personal preference. If you prioritize screen space and a minimalist look, go with the compact tab layout. If you prefer more visual separation and find it easier to manage your tabs, especially when you have a lot open, choose the separate tab layout. Try both and see which one feels better for you. You can easily switch between them at any time in Safari's preferences. Scene Change, back to the presenter. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the tab layout in Safari on your Mac. Hopefully, this makes your browsing experience a little bit better. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Fix Zone for more Mac tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments which tab layout you prefer and why. Thanks for watching.